Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to reset display settings to their default on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. We will go through all the necessary steps, one at a time, to make sure everything is set back to default. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Start menu. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. From here, type Settings in the search bar and click on it when it appears in the results. Once the Settings window is open, the first section we will adjust is Personalization. Click on Personalization from the menu on the left side of the screen. Within the Personalization menu, go to Themes. In Themes, you can choose the default Windows theme. Select the Windows Light or Windows Dark theme, depending on your preference, to reset to one of the default themes. If you want to change the wallpaper, you can also select a default one from the available options. Next, we will adjust the colors settings. While still in the Personalization section, click on Colors. Here, you will find options to switch between light and dark modes. Choose the one you prefer. Scroll down to ensure the Transparency Effects toggle is turned on. Also, set the accent color to blue, which is the default color for Windows. Now, go back to the main settings menu by clicking the back arrow or the home icon. From here, click on System and then select Display. In the Display section, turn off Night Light if it is currently enabled. Under Scale and Layout, ensure the scale is set to the recommended value, which is usually 100%. For the display resolution, select the recommended resolution, which is typically 1366 x 768, but this may vary depending on your monitor. Next, go back to the Settings menu and click on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, select Text Size. In the Make Text Bigger section, ensure the slider is set to the default position, which is typically small. Similarly, for Make Everything Bigger, choose the default or recommended value. Next, we will adjust settings under Accessibility. Go back to the Settings menu and click on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, select Contrast Themes. Here, you can choose a theme that works best for you. If you prefer the default setting, select None. If you would like to explore the contrast themes, you can choose from the available options like Aquatic, Desert, or Night Sky, depending on your preference. Once selected, click Apply to save the changes. Once you have followed all these steps, your display settings will be reset to default. Close the settings window and verify that everything looks as expected. That's it. You have successfully reset your display settings to default on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.